Before you donate another old t-shirt, stop right there. Because what if I told you that pile was stretched out, faded, or I'll wear it someday? Shirts could turn into pieces you would actually use, gift, or even sell. And some of these are so good you would never guess they started as a basic t-shirt. I went digging through Pinterest and found some seriously creative upcycling ideas and saved them all to a board for you. And yes, that board is linked down in the description if you want to grab patterns or inspiration for yourself, but here's the deal. I want you to watch all the way through and then tell me which one is your favorite, because once we hit 100 votes, I may recreate the winning idea in my own style. And some of these start simple and end up looking like boutique pieces, so pay attention as we go. Because the transformation is where it gets really good, so grab those old t-shirts, get comfy, and let's turn something you forgot about into something you are actually excited to use again. Your future favorite item might already exist, it just doesn't look the way you want it to yet. And that is where most people get it wrong. Because we have been trained to look at something quickly and decide its value based on what it is right now instead of what it could become. And those old t-shirts sitting in your closet are not just worn out clothes, they are unfinished ideas waiting for a second chance, pieces that already have softness, stretch, comfort, and character built into them. You are not starting from nothing, you are starting ahead. And that is a huge advantage if you choose to see it that way. So as you watch these ideas, do not just look at the finished results, start imagining your own version, your colors, your style, your purpose, because that shift is what turns someone from a viewer into a creator. Right here in the middle of all this. If you enjoy seeing how everyday items can be turned into something better, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. And check the description for a full tutorial playlist from my other videos along with more ideas so you'll always have something new to try. Because the more you train your eye to see possibility instead of waste, the easier it becomes to turn things you already own into things you actually love and use, and over time that builds confidence, creativity, and even opportunities to create pieces that other people would pay for. And by the end of this video, I want you to start looking at your closet in a completely different way. Not as a place full of old clothes you forgot about, but as a collection of future favorites that are already yours, just waiting for you to bring them to life and give them a whole new purpose.